acting every time they're asking. Make them believe that it's all good. Faking smiles and laughing, playing like I'm happy all the time. The girl who can do everything, never bothered by anything. Crying till I can't cry no more. What the hell am I crying for? Keep saying I'm okay, I'm okay. Telling them I'm okay, I'm okay. Even though mascara's running down my face. Really, I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm down on Melrose with my friends. Everybody's smoking, honestly I'm lonely. My mind is somewhere else again. Scrolling through my Insta, don't wanna get into this right now. The girl who's down for anything, go out to forget everything. Crying till I can't cry no more. What the hell am I crying for? Keep saying I'm okay, I'm okay. Telling them I'm okay, I'm okay. Even though mascara's running down my face. Really, I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. Keep telling everyone, leave me the hell alone. Don't need a shoulder to cry on. But maybe I'm confused, only know how to lose. People I got to rely on. The girl who can do everything, never bothered by anything. Crying till I can't cry no more. What the hell am I crying for? Keep saying I'm okay, I'm okay. Telling them I'm okay, I'm okay. Even though mascara's running down my face. Really, I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? 'Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the